The Vice President, Professor Yemi Osinbajo, has given the newly appointed Acting Inspector General of Police, Usman Baba, the task to restore confidence and dignity of the Nigeria Police Force. Osinbajo gave the task when he decorated the Acting Inspector General of Police with his new rank in the conference room of the Vice President's office in Abuja. The Vice President performed the decoration on behalf of President Muhammadu Buhari, who is on medical checkup in the United Kingdom.
IG, the organization you're leading is one that is itself facing several challenges. Your officers work still in extremely difficult conditions, and some face the threat of physical harm by terrorists and hostile non-state actors while in the line of duty. Very frequently, they have lived up to expectations, but there is no question at all that there is a lot that needs to be done. There is a lot of work that needs to be done. Under your leadership, the police must now rebuild, in some ways also, the broken bridges of trust with the public and regain the confidence of the citizenry. This is an ongoing challenge, it's an ongoing task that the police force and all of the senior members of the police force must take on as a responsibility, that of a continual process of building trust with the Nigerian public.
You hope to see improvement on where my predecessor has left. I came in at a very challenging time. I know it. I recognize it, and I will work on how to improve from where my predecessor has left. I've been a member of the management team. We have tried to do our best, but it's not enough. There is room for improvement. We are going to rejig our operational strategies